Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can descale your L'OR Barista Sublime Compact. It is going to take you about 35 to 40 minutes and you will need some descaling solution. You can buy the proper L'OR stuff from somewhere like Amazon. You can see it here. We will provide a link to the recommended stuff down in the description down below, but you don't have to use this stuff here. This will do 2 lots of descaling, so it would last quite a while. You can just use any ecological lactic acid. So we're going to be using the one that I use for my bean to cup machine, which is this DeLonghi version here. So we're going to need 125 millilitres of descaling solution. Now, because I'm dealing with descaling solution, I'm going to wear gloves. So I'm going to pour 125 millilitres into this tank in the back here. I'm just going to take it off because we're going to have to fill up the rest with water. It's labelled up down here, but if you're using the proper one, you're going to be using half the container. Now we need to fill this up with water, and we're going to be filling it up with cold tap water. And we're just going to slide that down on the back here and put the lid on there. Now you're going to need a container which is at least 1.5 litre. I've got an old saucepan here, and to let it fit underneath the nozzles I'm going to take away the drip tray. I'm also going to put down a tea towel to stop any splashes, because you don't want anything to splash out as it's coming out and damage your worktop or anything in the surrounding area. I'm putting that underneath there just to raise it up a little bit here. So now we want to make sure there's no pod in here. So do this and make sure that the pod has dropped out into the tray if there is a pod in here. So make sure this is empty here, which it is. Now we're going to plug it in. And you'll know when your machine needs descaling because these 2 lights will be flashing here. So the small and the large cup, the ristretto and the lungo cup, will be flashing. That means your machine needs descaling. In this instance here, I'm doing this purely for the video. This is a new-ish machine and it doesn't need descaling. But when these 2 start flashing, that indicates that your machine is letting you know to descale it. But you don't have to wait for that. Just like you see in this video, you can do it yourself. So what we're now going to do is we're going to hold down this button here and this button here, the small and the large, the ristretto and the lungo, for around 3 seconds, and that will put the machine into descaling mode. So pressing them both down now. Keep pressing them, and there we go. Now you can let go. You can now see that that one is flashing and that one's on constantly. And in a little while now, you're going to see that the descaling solution is going to run through the machine and it's going to come through into this saucepan here. This process will take about 30 minutes. So it's going to take quite a long time. You'll know when the process is completed because the lungo light is going to start flashing. At the moment, this light is flashing, but when it's fully completed, the lungo light will start flashing. So we're just going to fast forward through a minute or 2 and then we'll come back nearer the end of the cycle. So you get the idea now. This is why it's going to take 30 minutes. It just gives a little burst of water through, and then obviously the descaling solution is in there doing what it needs to do, descaling the inside, and then it will do another burst and pull through a bit more. So we're going to come back now towards the end of the cycle, and you'll see that instead of that flashing, we will now have the lungo button flashing. Not there yet because this light is still flashing, it's still going through, but you can see we're nearly at the end there and it's been transferred over to here. So hopefully another few minutes and it will be done. But it is a very slow process. Right, so about 2 minutes after that last bit there, it's now started flashing here. So it means then it's done the descale process. So now we need to take this off, bring it over to the sink and give it a really good rinse. We've still got plenty of room in here. If you're at the top off your jug or jar, whatever you've put underneath it, then obviously throw that away as well. But I'm just leaving that there for the time being. And we're going to bring this over to the sink, give it a good rinse out. So throwing away the old descale solution, and I'm going to give this a real good rinse through. I'm using warm water at the moment. I want to get rid of all that descaling solution. And now I'm going to use cold water and we're going to go back over to the machine. So we're going to place the clean water back on there, and all we have to do is tap this button here, the lungo button, the large cup button, and it's going to rinse through some fresh water now. And this is only going to take about a few minutes. You can see it's no longer doing it in pulses, it's just bringing it through. Now when this process is done, the lights are going to go out and then the machine is off. It's then ready to make coffee again. Now, just because I want to make sure that none of that descaling solution ends up in me, personally I'm going to rinse it the second time because it doesn't take very long. So I'm going to let it go through once and then I'm going to do it one more time. So you can see why you would have to empty this out after the initial descale, because it's going to bring through the whole container again. And there we go, you can see they're flashing now and they've just gone out. So that is it, that is the descaling process done. Now, just because I want to just give it one more rinse, but it's only going to be a quick one, it's just the same as making a cup there, so a large cup. So I'm just going to fill that up one more time. And put it on the back. And I'm just going to hit that button there, but you don't have to do that. This is only just giving it one more little go. All it's doing this time by pressing that is the same as taking it out of storage or the first time using it. There's no pod in here, it's just going to bring through some hot water. So it thinks it's making a lungo coffee. And there we have it. So we did the proper descale as recommended and just gave it one more little rinse with the hot water there, the little hot cycle. So now we have to carefully empty that down the sink. And you need to give the saucepan a real good rinse to make sure that all that descaling solution's gone. So that is it. Apart from the fact that it takes quite a while to do, it's very, very easy, so there's not a huge amount of stages to it. And now you should find that your coffee is nice and fresh, and also your machine's going to last longer because it's not going to be furred up on the inside with lime scale. So if this video has helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.